Hey, what's going on? Back again. This is the January 2023 wrestling, loot wrestling box, mystery box. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got. Usually comes with a t-shirt, autographed picture, a pin, maybe a sticker. Here we go. So, nope, it's taped up here, down here. Okay, we're going to take the cheat sheet out. Nope, I don't find a cheat sheet. Okay, let's start with the shirt first. Everything you see on this box, in the box, will be on my sale on my eBay store. Check it out. What do we got? Who's this? Oh, Beautiful Bob Eaton. Okay. It's not a bad shirt. Extra large. So everything you see in this will be on sale on my eBay store. Like my videos, share them. Alright, next item. Wrestling figure. Wow. Rowdy Piper. Wow. What year is this? This is an oldie. On the back you got Bob Orton, Mr. T, and Min Jin. Oh no, it's not that old. It says 2021. Still pretty good video. Wrestling figure. Nice. Probably used to be one of my favorites back in the day. We got a comic book, Lucha Cats. So it's Lucha Cats, Super Lucha Cats #2. The date says 2021. Okay, who do we got for the autograph? Who the hell is that? I have no idea who that is. No idea. I haven't seen a cheat sheet either. There's no pin or nothing, so there's a cheat sheet. Alright. The autograph is Luigi Primo. Never heard of the guy. Wrestling t-shirt is Bob Eaton. The wrestling comic book is Lucha Cats 2. Lapel pin, which I didn't get, is Gene Okerlund. And the wrestling figure, I could have got one of 4. I could have got T, Mean Gene, Orton, or Piper. I'm glad I got Piper. And that's going to do it for this month's Wrestling Loot Mystery Box. So thanks for watching. Like it, share it, hit those icons over and over and over again. Thanks, guys.